Now that Health Canada has given Pfizer its stamp of approval, will Canadians be taking this vaccine? While this news is promising, for many, others are a little hesitant, citing concerns over how quickly that vaccine was developed. It's news many have been waiting for.
Teresa Tam tells me to take it, then I will. I trust them.
A COVID-19 vaccine soon to be available in Canada. While many are ready to get the shot, others are more skeptical.
I mean, COVID just happened, so I feel like everything's so rushed. It's kind of like everyone's scared. I just feel like you're the guinea pig if you're the first one to take it. I just personally wouldn't.
Do you have any concerns surrounding it?
I think people do enough bad stuff to their body, to the point where taking a vaccine is not a bad thing at all.
A recent poll by the Toronto Star surveyed 1,001 people from across the province. It found only 55% of respondents said they would want to receive the COVID-19 vaccine, while 21% said they wouldn't and 24% were undecided.
Is that alarming to you to see that stat?
You know, most of the studies of the 40% that are hesitant, it's kind of older information. And in fairness to the Canadian public, we really don't have all the ins and outs of the data yet. We're just really getting it today for the first time.
Experts say the cause of concern is that for the vaccine to be effective, about 70% of Canadians need to be on board and get vaccinated. Otherwise, the risk of getting COVID will remain.
We don't get there. If we find that we were only hitting 30-40%, that people don't want the vaccine, then we have to reevaluate all of this. I think we will. I think most Canadians do care about the fact that it may not be just about them, but it's about vulnerable people.
While most Canadians say they're willing to take the shot, many remain hesitant, citing concerns over how quickly the vaccine was developed. Bowman says the good outweighs the very little bad that there is.
How should doctors or the government address some of this hesitancy that we are seeing?
Yeah, they really need to build trust in any way they can. So public health, physicians, government, they need to tell us exactly everything they know, to take all the medical information and put it in a user-friendly form for the public and put it out there. And to really build trust.
Bowman says even though we're trying to tackle this virus within our borders, Canadian officials also need to think about the efforts that are being made globally. Other countries need to also be on board and get a good supply of the vaccine if we do want to see an end to this pandemic.